We're back. Let's set up the internal configuration. Now, we'll need to configure the current selector and RS485 switch to activate Power Boost. Set the RS485 switch to T, then set the current selector between 2 and 7 depending on the maximum current available to the installation. The meter can be placed inside or outside of the electrical box. Wire the N, 1 and 2 terminals of the meter to the neutral and hot lines from the electrical panel, and then wire the CT clamps to the power meter. Label one clamp clamp 1 and the other clamp 2. Take clamp 1 and run its red wire to terminal 13 and the black wire to 14. Next, take clamp 2 and run its red wire to terminal 15 and the black wire to 16. Now we're ready to connect the CT clamps to the incoming hot lines. Be sure to follow the directional arrow. Now that we've got the meter in position, it's time to get it talking to the charger. Join me again in the next video.